Want a virtual friend who actually listens and remembers? Meet Tolan, an AI alien companion that's been gaining buzz in 2025. So, features and user feedback, animated AI with voice and memory Tolan features an animated alien avatar with seamless voice and text chat, allowing users to switch mid-conversation without losing context. A June 11th, 2025 update made this much faster and smoother. The users talk about long, meaningful conversations that feel introspective. One reviewer said it makes you dig deeper into your feelings and remembers things we talked about 2 days ago. Another shared how Tolan offered emotional clarity and study help for their teen. Emotional support. GeekWire reports that Tolan was built by seasoned tech execs and backed by $10 million in funding, designed to combat modern overwhelm with thoughtful interaction, blending emotional insight with practical advice. So let us talk about the considerations. Lastly, free trial only, no ongoing free tier. Monthly can hit $14 a year. Then chats are logged to improve the experience and data can be deleted by emailing support. Some users describe the experience as unnervingly human, even raising usability concerns. Our app is rapidly evolving. Features like account deletion and parental controls are still in progress. So is it worth your time? If you want a creative, empathetic companion and don't mind paying, it's one of the most emotionally engaging AI chatbots. That's pretty much it. Drop a like and subscribe for more AI tool insights, and thanks for watching.